Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a quick get ready with me using these two new foundations. These are the ones by 투에이엔, and I've shown you guys the cushions before. And I'm really loving using those cushions, but now they have a foundation that's out and it comes in this kind of packaging. It's a glass bottle and it has a pump. This is a very long-wearing foundation with SPF 30 PA++. It's not a very watery formula. It has somewhat of a richness to it, and it's more of a velvet soft matte finish with medium to full coverage, all while being lightweight on the skin. I counted that the formula has 5 different kinds of flower oils to make sure that it doesn't dry out your skin as the day goes on, and there's no darkening with this foundation. I actually love applying oils before my foundation or mixing it in, so you can use a foundation brush or a dampened sponge for a more luminous radiant look, or just your fingers to apply it. It comes in shade number 21 and 23, just like the Gleaming Tension Packed. So number 21 is a bright ivory shade, while number 23 is a more slightly cool beige color. So I'm just going to take some sunblock first. I'm putting quite a lot, but I just really want to make sure that I am protected. Okay, my skin is really well moisturized for makeup. I'm going to put on some Makeup Forever primer on the sides of my cheek where you can get oily. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go into concealer. Dab it out with a sponge. So are you guys following me on Instagram? If you're not, please go follow me over there because I like to post a lot of stuff about like my outfits, fashion, makeup I'm wearing, and mini reviews. Glossier concealer. So it's a very liquidy texture, not oily, but it melts very fast. And I'm just dip my sponge right into it. And I'm using the color Light, which is a little brightening, but it's okay because I want to brighten up this area first before I start my foundation. Today I'm going to actually use 23. Just apply a thin layer with a brush and tap it in with a brush or a sponge. So this shade matches me pretty well. On the other side, I'm going to use my finger. So you can kind of see, and I just kind of use the longest part of my middle finger to kind of act as my brush and spread it as evenly as possible versus like rubbing it around so that you get the thin even layer on your skin, and then you can just let it set. Because setting time for the foundation is really important. Once you have an even layer, I can just tap it in with my fingers and make sure you get it in all the areas that you need. And that'll help the foundation to adhere and then just also to set really nicely. Let's see. So, I mean, the effect is really similar whether you use hands or a brush. And this was about, not a full pump, like half of a pump, or 3/4. This actually feels really moisturizing. So lips are a little dry, so I'm just going to put some lip gloss on. I really like how this looks on my skin. There's no marks, it's a really natural looking, pretty good coverage. Still using Too Cool for School, so and as always, I'm going around the hairline right here, just around the perimeter of the face. I'm going to use this Chanel bronzer. I've really been loving this and it smells so good. I love all of Chanel's scents. I think that's like one of the main reasons why I like it so much because it smells so good. It smells like peaches. Like, see how orange that is? It's almost like a light peach bronze blush. But where I put it is, if you're looking directly at me, you wouldn't really be able to see it straight on, but just like on the sides right here. This triangle area right here, right there, that's where I tend to use it the most. I avoid pulling it down anywhere past like my hairline right here, where the hair starts and your ears above that. So that's the area that I think is really flattering to use some kind of shading or peach bronzer like this. On the other side, same thing. I'm not going to go below this part where my hair starts. It kind of just gives a little bit of dimension. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to do like a really fun spring look. So take first a camel color, put it all over my eyelid. Today's makeup is going to be really, really simple. And to kind of make sure I get underneath, sometimes I even just close my eyes and then just sweep it across because it's easy. I'm going to take my trusty brown eyeliner. So it's really all about the angle of your eye shape, your eyebrow, and then also the angle of your eyelid. The thinner the eyeliner, the better, because you never want it to fill the entire lid, because that will make your eyes look stuffy and closed down. And instead of doing an angled line going up, it's best to try more horizontal. I'm going to first go horizontal like this, and so honestly, it just takes just a lot of practice to figure out what kind of line suits your eyeline the best. This is the version of the mini wing that I can do. Alright, so now that I have that, it's just a rough cut eyeliner, so it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going to go back to this palette, take an angled brush, and I'm going to go for this beautiful blue-purple eyeshadow, and it has pink and blue. And I'm going to go over my and blend it a little bit above as well. So it's like really dark, but it looks blue in like certain lights. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do for my eye makeup. Magic House Curl and Fix. So now that my makeup has set for a little, you can tell it looks very, very healthy. I feel like this foundation is super balanced. So even if you have dry skin, oily skin, or even if you have combination skin, this is super natural, long wearing. The only downside I would say is that it only comes in 2 shades. I'm going to add a little bit of this glitter tip. And put it right in the center. Since it's summer and I want to feel fresh, I would just add a little bit more of this same lip gloss that I was wearing. They are sticky, but the good thing about that is that it stays on for a very, very long time. I would recommend the shade Debbie, which is like corally color. I really like Gold Rush. To show you guys something new, I like Gold Rush. That's one of my favorites. I'm going to use a little bit of this Mango Peach just right here. With your eye. Take a clean brush or like a toothpick or something, wherever you have tums or moles, take off the foundation that was on top of it. So this is the final look. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and I'll see you guys next time.